This is an overview of the banana buffer for wrap squeegees. Banana buffers are proudly made in Brazil. On each package, product information is included and they are for wet installations only. Banana buffers are partners with monkey strips, which are for dry applications. To open a pack of banana buffers, cut along the sides and remove them from the plastic. There are 10 banana buffers in each sealed pack. The new version is thinner than the first version, but the thickness and the properties of the face remain the same. A banana is stamped into one of the wings for branding. After an install, a banana buffer needs to be replaced. Before starting the next one, simply pull an edge and remove. There will be very little to no adhesive residue left behind. To apply a new banana buffer, the liner is split in the middle for an easy release. Pull off both halves and place on a flat surface, adhesive side up. Then, set a standard size squeegee in the middle and lift up. It should be placed evenly from side to side. To secure, hold one side with the finger and stretch to the opposite side, hooking the corner. Then, pinch the corner tight and seal the wings. Repeat the same steps for the opposite side. The key is to stretch the banana buffer so it doesn't bunch up on the corners. Once the corners are set, secure the middle section, being sure to make a tight seal, which helps to get the best squeegee results. Before squeegeeing, be sure to thoroughly wet the banana buffer with a glide solution like soap and water. The banana buffer holds the moisture for a long time, and the wingtips help give added security, especially for sensitive wrap films. This has been an overview of banana buffers for wet applications. To purchase banana buffers, you can go to this URL or from distributors worldwide. Banana buffers. We got your squeegee covered.